Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Keen over at AskaJeeper, and today we're going to be looking at the idle sensor. So my Jeep, this Jeep in particular, has been having a rough idle problem, and in the throttle body, I'll show you this little slit in here, and that's supposed to keep the engine running, right? Because this isn't always revving. That's the butterfly. So whenever you pull the pedal, that's when that revs, and that's when that comes open. So there's this little slit in there. In this slit, there's this sensor back here that regulates how much air goes in, because an engine needs oxygen to run, right? And so this sensor has gone bad, and so it causes the vehicle to do this. Simply because the sensor's not doing its job, and it's not getting enough air to keep it at a steady idling point. So we're gonna go ahead and switch that out right now. Here's the part number 4874372, and I believe this works for most Jeeps between the years of like 2006 to like 97, I think. But yeah, so that's the part number. I'll show you what the part looks like from the outside. Pretty heavy and a really expensive part, but this is what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. The best way to do this is, as you can see back there, there are two screws, one on the top and one on the bottom, and the best way to do this is to take off the complete throttle body. We tried taking off this throttle position sensor without taking the throttle body off, and that was a nightmare. So we're going to take the throttle body off this time and show you how to do it from there. Okay, so basically what you need to do is unhook all of these harnesses. You'll find them attached here, here, and here on the throttle body. And then you have 4 bolts, boom, 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 and you'll use, what millimeter size is this? A 10 millimeter size socket head. You don't want to drop anything in there. You just want to make sure that it's clean, stuff like that. Unplug everything and make sure the throttle body's all good to go. And then this is the part we're going to be replacing right here. So that should be fun. So I took a size 20 Torx head. And you have 2 bolts here. Unfortunately, the top of one of them came off as I was trying to loosen that. So that's going to be fun trying to get out. But the other one came off just fine. And this is what the part looks like. Super black. And I think it's time to be replaced. So we're going to go ahead and do that, put the new one in, and see if we can fix this some way or some fashion. So give me a second. Again, this sensor, the throttle body position sensor, and this, and then you'll rehook all these wires, this harness, by simply just pushing that down and then rehooking everything up. And let's go ahead and give the car a start and see what happens.